Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for showing up. My name's Adriana Luna for all the ones that don't know yet. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button below so you guys can be a part of my YouTube family. So, on today's video, girl, I am bringing you this gorgeous makeup look just in time for the holidays or for a night out. Do I have glitter on my nose? I always hate when it looks like glossy under there, but this look is just perfect for a date night, for the holidays, for anything. And I'm even wearing a nice dress, so I might take pictures and share on Instagram for you guys. But the thing is that it does not zip up. It is not zipping up. I knew I was gaining weight, or maybe the zipper stuck, but it's not zipping up. So we'll see how we can make it work on Instagram. So I am using an old school palette, you guys. You're gonna see how much I love this palette. It's okay if you don't have it, just work with similar colors, girl. You gotta work with what you got. So before I jump in, thank you guys so much to everyone that commented on my recent video where I was explaining to you guys and asking for your help about anxiety, since I've been getting them so much. I feel like I can't breathe right now. So thank you guys so much for letting me know how to cope with it. I appreciate you guys so much because I know you guys are taking the time of your day to comment, letting me know how to cope with anxiety. So thank you so much, and let's jump right into this look. I did my brows off camera and I applied this on my lips by Fresh Beauty, which is their Petal Soft Lip Cream. Girls, smells like roses and my lips feel so freaking good. So I'm gonna start off by applying some concealer on my lids just to cancel out the redness and like the green that I have in here. Can you guys see that? Purple, green, or whatever. So I'm gonna be using the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer in color medium tan. So it's a little bit like my skin tone, not that much, just a little close to my skin tone. So I'm just gonna add that all over my lids. For my eyeshadow palette, girl, I have used this palette so much. It's so busted. I'm so embarrassed to show you guys, but it's the Lorac Pro Palette. It's just so freaking beautiful. You guys are gonna see. I have used this line the most. I just love it, as you guys seen that I hit pan. But I love a palette when it has neutrals and, you know, some shimmers, mattes, transition colors, everything for smoky and everything. So I'm going to begin by grabbing light brown, which looks like this. Make sure you grab your brush, and from the tip you want to grab that shadow. And I'm just going to apply this over the concealer, but making sure that it's not creased. You can either, you know, go in with a lighter shade and just cover everything, but lately I've just been doing it like this, that it's okay. So I'm just gonna grab that and apply it on my crease, getting close to the brow bone, bringing it outwards in a swiping and circle motion. So this is up to you, like how pigmented you want this to stand out. And as you see, it didn't smear or anything, because usually it tends to smear when you have concealer on first, but just apply a little bit amount of concealer, just enough to cover up your blemishes on your lid, just to have a clean canvas. I'm gonna take a smaller blending brush and grabbing charcoal also at the tip. I'm going to be applying this right at the bottom of that brown in swiping motions, and then right here I'm gonna bring it out. So I'm going to use the same blending brush, but I'm going to be taking my Vermona, what is this called? Black sponge, that's what it says. So I'm just going to take this and swirl it in here. This thing, girl, it helps because it cleans my brush instead of me applying alcohol, waiting for it to dry or anything like that. Just swirled and clean. So I'm going to be taking black and applying that on the outer edge of my eye. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the crease. You don't have to cut the crease. You can just go ahead and add a shimmer color, or just leave it like that and do your eyeliner, and that will be like a basic smoky eye. So I'm going to add a little bit of concealer and apply that on my lid. So now for my lid, I'm going to be grabbing chrome. I was going to add silver. Let me show you guys the difference. Like this one, silver just pops out a little bit more, but this one's like more mellow. So I might add both of them, not sure. So I'm just going to pat that color onto my lid with a flat shader brush. I'm going to take that silver color and just apply that to the inner corner. So with a small brush like this, I'm going to be applying charcoal on my bottom lid. I hate doing this, girls. I hate doing this. Now I'm going to be taking the Rimmel Wonder Ink eyeliner. This eyeliner, it is really, really pigmented, so watch out. And I love the way that it's like really sharp at the end. So I'm going to do a small... It's okay. I'm going to do... See, this is why I don't talk when I do my eyeliner. This is why we girls don't talk. If you talk, girl, I don't know how you do it, but hold on. We're almost done with the eyes. I'm going to be applying this mascara by Thrive Cosmetics. This one is the Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. For my lashes, I'm using the Kiss Mink Effect in Dame. So now I'm going to be applying this Revlon So Fierce eyeliner in, I think, Vinny, I don't know, but it's black. So I'm going to be applying it on top of my waterline because I can see the space in between and I don't like the way that looks, so I want them to look really voluminous. So now I'm going to be applying this NYX Wonder Pencil in color Light. Mine is just so freaking little, and I'm going to apply that on my waterline. And it's not a white, it's more like a bone nude color, so I'm applying that to my waterline. So now moving on to the face, I received a new product from IT Cosmetics, which this is my first time trying it with you guys. So it's the Hello Results Wrinkle Reducing Daily Retinol Serum. And the packaging, it is really, really beautiful. And product should come out. I don't think. Oh, yeah, I'm sure you guys seen it. It's green. Oh my gosh, I like the smell. It takes me back to when I was little. Isn't that crazy when you guys can smell something and it takes you back like memories? It smells good. So I'm just gonna apply this all over. So this one is a serum and cream. So I'm moisturizing and I'm applying a serum at the same time, which I usually do, you know, which one is first? My serum and then my cream. So it's 2 steps. So this one's like in one. Moving on, I'm gonna be doing the reverse contour and highlight first and then foundation, which supposedly you use, you know, less product, but I feel that you only use less foundation. So I'm gonna be starting off with my concealer from IT Cosmetics, and the color that I told you that I'm using is Deep Tan. Girl, this is a must-have. Hey, IT Cosmetics, hey! So this is seriously a must-have because just look at how big it is. Like, it's so, there's so much in there. It's so thick, and you just need a little bit. So I'm going to apply this everywhere where I want to brighten. This definitely looks like my foundation. Contouring, I'm going to be using my Maybelline concealer in number 60, and I'm going to take this smaller dome brush to contour that. So I'm gonna grab some and then apply it. You can do it directly, but I feel like it's more messy. And don't forget to get on your hairline. So bring it up to your hairline. You're gonna see at the end that it's going to be like really bronze and glowy. You know, if you're starting out, try it. Take your time because it does take time to like blend everything. Girl, I look crazy, so this can be so intimidating. So I'm gonna be taking my Camouflage foundation by Hard Candy, and I am in color Warm Beige. Now taking a foundation brush and applying it basically everywhere. So let's begin. I'm going to apply that first where I didn't apply anything. Don't forget to bring it down to your neck. So it's just going to be marrying everything together. I'm not going to bake, I'm just going to be applying my Airspun Loose face powder, and I'm applying it everywhere. and just focus it a little bit under my eyes because they are creasing right now. So I'm gonna let that powder sit under my eyes. Then I'm gonna be taking my dark chocolate Soleil from Too Faced in Deep Tan, and I'm just going to apply that around my cheeks and not my forehead because I feel like my forehead, like you can see that tan right there. So just a little bit. So for my lips, I'm going to be doing a nude, and I'm using the Revlon Color Stay in Nude Lip Liner. Then I'm going to be topping it off with the Buxom Baba Blump Honey Dew. Alright, so there you guys have the final look. I just curled my hair with a clipless curling iron. I think I did a video. If you guys want one, let me know. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think. I will leave you guys more videos on here so you guys can watch more videos of mine. I'm going to do more holiday looks because I have so many in mind. And I'm always also going to try to blog. I know. Don't quote me, but I'm going to try to blog even though my life is so boring. Like, I seriously just get up, get the kids, you know, ready to get on their Zoom. I do this, I clean, I cook, and watch Netflix and all that stuff back again. So I might blog, maybe not, I don't know. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you guys can be notified of my upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.